Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a Temu unboxing. So if you've never heard of Temu before, it's an online marketplace and they offer very competitively priced products in all different categories you can imagine. So obviously I'm going to be showing you guys what nail products I got from there today, but they have stuff from fashion to home decor to pet supplies to so much more. What I really love about Temu is that they offer really good quality products for super affordable prices. And they also are available online on their website, or they have an app you can download for both iOS and Android. So I'm just showing you guys it to the screen here. I did download the app on my iPhone and the app is super seamless. It's super easy to find and favorite some products that you love. The sales that they have are quite crazy. So they have savings of up to 90% on lots of products, and they do accept all major credit cards, debit cards, and they do offer pay later programs such as Klarna and AfterPay. So on top of 90% savings, you can also save an extra 30% with my code. That will be down below in the description. So let's just go into some of my favorite picks from the website. There will be a link down below where you can click and view all of the products that I reviewed in this video. I'm super obsessed with this. It's so cute. It's like a mini suitcase for your drill bits. And it's so adorable. I love how it's like the perfect size. It has a little lock in the front. And then I love the clear view at the top because it allows you to see what drill bits you have. So you could order multiples of these if you have a lot of drill bits. But they do have a lot of good sizing for this. But as you can see, the price here to the screen on the right, it's super affordable. If you are a nail tech and you do nails pretty often, this is super good because it helps keep your drill bits hygienic. Next up, I got some of these cracked like seashells nail art designs. I did get this in 2 different colors. So here's the first color I'm showing you here. It's super beautiful. It has not only the cracked shells, but some pretty chunky glitter pieces in it as well. So I'm super excited to use these. I'm definitely going to be using these in one of my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. But it's just such a beautiful color, and as I did say, I ordered 2 of these, so I'll show you the second color later in the video. Next, and everything was really nicely packaged. If it were something that was like glass, they made sure to wrap it in bubble wrap, so I really did appreciate that. But this product is a acrylic or a dip powder. You could use it as either or, and I ordered this in this really pretty like sandy color, so I'm very excited to use this. You can use this for like a nail art design, or you can use it for acrylic, or you can use it for dip nails. I've never done dip nails on this channel, but I think I am going to go ahead and give it a try with this product. Next thing that I got is this super adorable loofah. I love this loofah because it has like a little handle on it, and it's just the cutest thing ever. So this wouldn't be a product that I would recommend if you're a nail tech, but this is just for me personally. When I do my nails and I'm like prepping them, when you go in and you wash your hands, you can use this to really scrub your hands and soap them up and everything. Next, I got some nail art stickers. I got a few different stickers, but this is the first type I ordered. They're just these really pretty, almost like Baroque style stickers. And in a second, you're gonna see that Archie wanted to make an appearance in the video. He was so intrigued in everything that I had. He was just like sniffing everything. But say hi, boo-boo. Say hi, boo-boo. He's currently right next to me as I edit. He's just the cutest, yummiest thing in the world. But anyway, let me take him out the video. But yeah, I got these 5D nail art stickers, and I really love these stickers because they are actually super sticky. I did use these, so they are very sticky. The adhesion on them is amazing. So these stickers actually adhere and work really well. I definitely do recommend these. Next up, I got some fake nails, and I love getting fake nails if you want to do like a really quick nail design and you don't have time to go in and do everything. They're already designed for you. So this is kind of like an ombre type nail, well, it's supposed to be. So we'll see. I probably will do another video for this as well to see how it turns out. But it did come with a emery board and a nail stick and some extra nail tips at the top, as you can see. The quality of these nails, they felt pretty good, pretty sturdy. You definitely would want to use a thicker nail gel glue to adhere them instead of a regular nail glue. So here are some more of those stickers that I was talking about before that I ordered. Very, very cute. As you can see, these are like kind of lacy, kind of Baroque themed, and I just love them. They stick really well, and as you can see, they are super duper affordable. I mean, just look at that price. You really can't beat these prices. They're insane. So here are these like amber rhinestones that I found on the website, and they come in a ton of different colors. I went for this shade, and it's kind of like a champagne amber look, and I just love how they come in so many different shapes and sizes. Again, I probably would really shop here pretty often because the prices are crazy to me. They are so good, super affordable. But I also went and got this nail chain, and these are really easy to use. You can just use a cuticle cutter to cut them. Next, here are some more of the seashells that I got, and this is kind of like in a little amberish yellowish shade as well. Super pretty. Love the chunky glitter that's also included in this. And I just wanted to give you guys like a really, really good close-up so you can definitely see all of the definition and all the different materials that come in it. These are also easy to cut. You can customize it by going in with some cuticle nippers and making them different sizes. Super high quality material. So next, this is an Aura gel, and it's super duper pretty. This is one of my favorites as well. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors, but as you can see in the container, it looks like this purplish type of color, but it just has so many, it just shifts with so many different colors. So as you can see on this silver piece, the lining at the top, it's kind of like a blue shift. So it's just the most gorgeous thing, and like I said, they have so many different colors, so I'm super excited to try that out. And along the same lines of some gel, I went ahead and got this spider gel. I did get this in two different colors. I got this in the silver and the gold shade, and they do have a few more shades as well. I did try this out, and it's very much a spider gel. It's super sticky, so if you kind of want to do that, you know, spider look, this product is absolutely perfect for that, and it's super duper easy to use. But yeah, they do offer a wide range of colors. A lot of these products come in so many different colors and shades. It was like so hard to choose. So here's the second set of fake nails that I got. This one is like an ombre for colors, and I'm very excited to use this in the summertime. This came with the same products, came with an emery board and a wooden stick. Next, I went ahead and got some of these clear hearts. They're very cute. I did know that they came in the same size, but what I would have liked is that the hearts came in a whole bunch of different sizes, but they were a good size, super cute, super affordable. Next, I got these adorable stickers. I love these stickers. This is another one of my like ultra favorites because these stickers do come in different sizes. They do come in different sizes, but they come in different colors, and they are just too freaking cute. Like, look at that. They are really good, high quality as well. They do a really good job of sticking and don't pop off like some others. Next, I got some rhinestones. You can never have too many rhinestones. I went ahead and got the emerald green shade. I have every other color you can imagine, and they do come in different colors. I don't have green though, and I've always wanted to do like a French emerald green nail look. So super excited about these. Cannot wait to give them a try. So here's the other spider gel color that I mentioned before. This is like a gold shade, and for color reference, here's what the color looks like. Same type of material, super sticky. Now this is a debonder. To be totally honest, I've never heard of this ever in my life. So when I saw it on the website, I was super intrigued. I'm definitely going to be trying this in my next video because I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your nails. So I'm really excited to try this out, really hoping it works. We'll see, fingers crossed. Next, I got this, it's almost like a frother, but for your hand wash, face wash, whatever you want to use it for. If you are a nail tech and you do nails for clients, it's just a cute little experience you can give them. You just apply some water and then apply some soap, and it comes into like this foamy, it turns into like a foamy type of product. Alrighty, so now they also had polygels on their website, and I got this polygel in this shade. They come in a lot of other shades, and I do wish that I had got more because this cured amazing. It was really easy to use. It was the perfect consistency. Okay, so next up, I got these gel polishes in a whole bunch of different colors. I love how well packaged this was. As you can see, it was all bubble wrapped individually, and I really do appreciate that because the shipping process can be brutal, and if products aren't packaged properly, they can crack. So every one of these nail gels that I got were in perfect condition. As I said earlier, they really do a good job of packaging their items properly. But here are some of the shades I got. They're under two different listings. One is for all of the glitters, and then the other one is for, they call it like a jelly transparent shade. But I love the jelly shades because you can actually like build them up. The more layers you put, the more deeper the shade becomes. And I'm actually going to go back like as soon as I finish editing this video and order them in almost all of the different colors because I love how easy to use these gel polishes are, and they are super cute. Like you can do a transparent layer, or if you do 2 to 3 coats, it becomes a deeper, richer color. So I absolutely love them. You can do so many things with these polishes, so many different designs. So I definitely recommend checking the link below and ordering them. I know when I was ordering them, there were a few shades that were sold out. So I'm going to go back and like try and get as many as I can get my hands on because these polishes are so affordable for a wonderful price, and they are so good. They're your average size bottles. You know, other brands, nail polishes, they tend to be a smaller bottle, but you get a standard size polish for such an affordable price. And the quality of these gel polishes was super high. I was thoroughly impressed with these gel polishes. So I am super excited to use them. They almost act as if they could be like a rubber type of base coat as well. So this was an accident. This was actually an accidental purchase. I thought that this was one of those nail art palettes that come in like they look like eyeshadow, but they're actually gel polishes. I don't know what I was thinking. It's not that though. These are actually eyeshadows. But I do wear makeup, so I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys know my thoughts on this. The packaging, a 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10. Super adorable, super cute. Absolutely love the packaging. It was adorable. Now I'm gonna kind of do some swatches, and yeah, this isn't really my area on YouTube, makeup and everything, but this was not good. The swatches, I know I don't do swatches for a living, but they like, ugh, don't get this. I'm sorry. This eyeshadow, it's cute. I loved it. As I said, I thought these were nail polishes. They're not. They're eyeshadows. And if you do wear makeup and you see this and you were like, ooh, don't, please, yeah, probably not. This one was just not my favorite. I'm not a fan. I'm sorry. So here's an overview of all the products that I ordered. My overall thoughts is that I'm super impressed with this brand. The shipping was super fast, and they do offer free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. So that's amazing. All the products were packaged super well. So through the shipping process, everything got here undamaged, which is also amazing. And the pricing is unbeatable. It truly is. And on top of that, don't forget that you can save an extra 30% off with my code. I'll be sure to have it listed down below in the description and on the screen as well. Everything that I mentioned in the video will be linked down below. There'll be a link that says influencers picks, and if you click that link, you can scroll through everything that I mentioned in the video. I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video.